Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive the notification for our upcoming video. Today in this video we are gonna talk about upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. These renders show off what are now expected to be called the Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus, and are very much in line with what we have come to expect. Particularly notable are the three lenses on the back of the S10 and S10 Plus and the two on the back side of the S10e. The two front-facing lenses are also noticeable on the S10 Plus. At the back, the cameras are the angulated panels, and the pictures show that S10 Plus look like four cameras. Reportedly, the fourth cameras will be used to create 3D measurement of the environment that can be used for advanced augmented reality applications. S10 and S10 Lite are said to have three cameras. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus mobile features a 6.4 inches display with a screen resolution of 1440 x 2960 pixels and runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. This device is powered by octa-core dual-core plus dual-core Cortex A75 plus quad-core Cortex A55 processor, paired with the 6 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 4100 mAh. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor, barometer, compass, gyroscope. So does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does, for graphical performance that can make games run smoothly. This phone has got a Mali G76 MP12 GPU. On the board storage is at 128 GB with the option to expand the memory by use up to 400 GB. The Galaxy S10 Plus will reportedly come in three different storage configurations. The 128 GB S10 Plus will sell for £899, around $1,150, and the 512 GB version will go for £1,099, around $1,400. If you need a terabyte of onboard storage, be prepared to pay a jaw-dropping £1,399, around the $1,750. A subsequent leak from a source speaking to ENT News claims the Galaxy S10 range will vary in price between two local equivalent of $710 and $1,425. These top prices would make it a most expensive Galaxy phone to be released so far. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Tell us in the comment below, how do you like this video? If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye bye.